much better because she spent.
No.
She took her time. We're about to try our cookies. I can see this falling. Snowflake. Okay, I'm gonna go for ugly. Eat the ugly one. So try.
We're gonna go spice if we were late.
It's a good sweet.
Yeah.
Kind of good.
The cookie's good.
I mean, the candy's little.
Yeah, full success. Better than a gingerbread house for us for now.
It's a little intense.
This is cinema. We're off to Bryant Park.
I look like a sack.
What are your thoughts? You don't. You look so cute.
I love your hat.
My two bobbles.
It's kind of cold.
Yes.
It's not too bad. My face though is going through something spiritual.
Yeah, maybe I overestimated it, so I'm like, oh, it's fine. It's not gonna be fine soon.
It's okay.
We're prepared. We have extra scarves.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, montage. It was a trek, but we got our first thing. These are chicken tikka masala wraps, non-wraps. Oh my god! Delicious. Delish. Delicious. Look at the churros. Bite the churros. You can't see us.
We made it.
We're at Dyker Heights. We don't really exactly know where it starts, but we're gonna figure it out. Another montage, I guess. We've both got AirPods in, listening to Christmas music as well. If you're walking through Christmas lights, bring synced AirPods or
That's right.
Listen to the same Christmas playlist. Full bundle on now. It's cold. We have found the cutest one. We just entered the craziest part. I keep thinking we've seen the best, but then we just find a new street and that's more. We got hot chocolate. Hot. That's good though. I have no idea honestly where this footage like picks up or where last ended things, but I don't know if I've said in this video, but I am home now. If you haven't seen my birthday video, maybe this would make more sense, but basically it's a couple days before Christmas Eve. It's like Christmas Eve or something. But my best friend Anushka and I always have this annual tradition where we kind of just like spend a day of like doing like Christmas things. We do gifts. We always bake the sugar cookies that you can like decorate. I'm very excited. I literally got Anushka the best present. If you don't know me that well, I love giving gifts and like finding a really good present to give, so I feel good about this one. This isn't like something like out of the blue. She's most definitely pointed this exact thing out, so it was just a matter of like finding it, but I think me finding it was like earlier in this footage. You've probably already seen that. I'm about to head out, so I will show you my outfit when I'm downstairs and then we'll be on our way.
Oh my gosh, I literally...
Anushka's.
Hello.
So we're doing our annual Christmas thing.
I'm scared. Okay, you go first because mine's probably not that crazy.
Okay.
There's like a couple of different things. Okay, the wrapping got messed up, sorry.
It's okay. Oh my gosh, I wanted these. I was saying I needed
Yeah, and I feel like they'd be so cute in London.
So cute.
Like with the pictures and the fits.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I was literally like thinking I needed to get some, but then I was like,
good, because I was like, oh my god, did
off.
she already like? I didn't know if you.
Oh my god.
There's a couple little. There's like chocolate there.
Stop. I see this. Cute.
I don't know how much, but I feel like at least
I love this.
had to get a little
so cute.
London.
Oh my gosh. Look at the bus. So cute.
London. There's just a little.
Ooh. Wait, I've always wanted to try like their stuff.
Yeah.
I use their perfume, but
I almost put it in your birthday gift, and then I was like,
this
wait,
is so
it's like
cool.
a Christmassy thing, so let me not put it in.
that was sealed.
That'd be good. And then it's like all chocolate.
Yes, that's so
there.
cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Of course, I hope you like it.
I
was
love
nervous.
this.
I was like, it's nothing.
You were so
show-stopping.
nervous for like.
I don't know. It's just like it's not
perfect.
show stopping, but I felt like all of it together would be like good London vibes.
Yes, perfect.
Oh my
Yeah,
god,
that looks good.
I'm
Okay,
nervous.
close your
Sophia,
eyes.
I'm scared.
Close your eyes.
No, I don't do so. Like I don't have experience with surprises.
3, 2, 1.
My brother was just saying, what if
really?
it's that?
Really?
2 minutes ago.
Did you think it was this?
I thought it was a scarf.
Oh, see, I think I was leading you on to the scarf.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy.
If you don't know, when Anushka came to New York, we went specifically all the way to the store to find this necklace.
Let me just tell you guys. Oh my god, I should have guessed this maybe. When I was in New York in the summer,
Yes.
I found this store on TikTok and I was like, oh, it looks so cute. And we went to it when we were like near it. Oh my gosh. And I found this necklace and it was in silver, which I don't like silver jewelry as much. I like gold for like my skin tone. And I was like, oh, I almost bought it though because I really did like it. And I think it was even on sale. But then my friends were like, oh, like I don't know if it's that good. Like it's gonna move around. You don't wear silver. Okay, but then I was like, okay, this is a good idea. Like I wanted a New York thing. And I was like, the necklace would be so perfect. I love jewelry. And then I always wished I had gotten it because then I never found anything like it again. Then when I was there in December, I was like, Sophia, this cute store, which it was so Sophia's vibe.
It was so cute. They had silky dresses and everything.
And then in New York, I was like, I can't do Sophia. Are you crazy?
So cute.
It's so cute, and it says.
Lord.
I mean, maybe you already showed the vlog.
Yes, of course.
Are you kidding me?
It looks so good. They literally
So
match
cute.
so perfectly. That's so funny.
They're so cute.
So cute. Oh my gosh. I love these. These are perfect. Now on to baking cookies. We have some cooling. We had a little bit of a situation.
Just a little. kitchen fire.
Just a little bit.
Nothing happened. They also got a little wet with the fire happened.
Yeah, because we had to put out the fire, obviously. But these taste great, so that just means those
Even better.
even better. Our next plan of action might result in disaster,
That's why we're filming it.
but not a fire type of disaster. So we've already got that out of the way.
Because the cookies are like pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Not too bad, but like pretty sweet. So the cream cheese frosting would have like balanced it out.
Yeah.
But we have very little cream cheese. But like if that was the base and then we put a little butter in it
I
and
think
then
it should
sugar.
work. The peppermint just feels like it would go really nicely with the cream
And like we don't
cheese.
have to ice them all if it turns out bad, or we can just like, you know.
Well, it's an experiment. This is what we're best at. We've been to chef science camp. We're experienced. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, this is a very do not try this
This
at
is a
home.
very high level, high skilled chef activity.
So we'll report back. It tastes good. Right?
Yeah, we definitely can't decorate them with it. Like, definitely, like, it's like a
A dip.
a dip. I think they'll taste great.
It'll taste great. How they look. They taste good.
It looks like a Pepto-Bismol that's been through someone's body.
I can't say that. We have to eat them. Do I dye it something else? Make them purple? Or green?
I think it's just the chunks.
Wait, this is so bad. I'm gonna add something into it. I'd rather it be black at this point.
Yeah, just put all the colors in.
Christmas cookies? How about throw cookies? Okay, that's not horrible. Lavender.
Yeah.
It's not amazing, but that, like, once you said the Pepto-Bismol, like, I really couldn't unsee it.
We're giving, like, 13-year-old birthday
Yes. That's better.
This is our
Our melting man.
He looks a little sick. If you squint, it's like snow.
They're good. I couldn't even really taste the icing.
No, I can't either.
I mean, these are like underwhelming cookies to begin with.
It doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, they taste good. They look okay.
They look interesting. You're about to see something very embarrassing, but I have a mess to clean up because I moved home and I didn't clean it. I was like living out of my suitcases, so I need to clean really fast, but I'm gonna time lapse it, so it'll be fun to watch. But please don't judge me. I swear I was just too busy. Okay, hi everyone, it's a new day. Today I'm actually throwing a Christmas holiday party sort of thing. Not really party, more like pajama situation. So as you can see, I've got my Christmas pajamas on and people are going to be arriving fairly soon, I think. But actually what you just saw was me working on the puzzle that I got. I actually wanted to get a puzzle just for kind of doing over this time. I remembered I love puzzles. Like, I used to do them in aftercare after school, so I kept seeing them like pop up everywhere, so I was just like, I'm gonna get one for this year. But yeah, I am excited to film this and excited to host. I love hosting, it's one of my favorite things. But yeah, this is kind of like potluck-y style where like everyone's kind of bringing something, and my role is the charcuterie board, so hopefully it turns out well. But I'm just gonna keep getting ready for everyone to come. Hopefully it turns out really cozy, but I'm really excited for this. So yeah, let's continue getting ready together. We have 2 people here.
Hello.
I'll update you. Charcuterie boards. Rosemary herb crackers, regular French bread, chocolate covered pretzels. We've got brie, 2 Goudas, Stilton blueberry cheese. This is like the best thing. Praline pecans. I haven't, but I feel like that would taste really good. It's really good. Some jam, some honey, grapes, and then these are like herb Parmesan, maybe olives. I haven't had them before, but they look good. How was everyone's food? How was everyone's food?
It was good.
So amazing. I liked this cheese with
Gouda.
the honey.
Yeah.
I also like trying the blueberry cheese because I've never tried blueberry cheese before.
Yeah.
And it tasted very much like blueberries.
I liked the brie with the pecan and the blueberry with the
I
pecan.
love the pecans with like
Yeah,
all
it
the
tastes really
cheese.
good. So the cheese is a little salty.
Yeah. Okay, just an update on this puzzle. We got the frame all done. It's been taking so long, but it's been very like rewarding getting all the pieces. There's little deer. I love this. The flowers are like the toughest because there's 2 sets of flowers. And then this part is gonna stress me out, but that's how it's looking so far. Okay, so it's actually technically Christmas. It's like 2:30 in the morning. I don't stay up this late, but I just really wanted to edit this vlog and I kind of like put it off until the last minute to like start it. So I like literally edited this entire thing in like 1 or 2 sittings, which is crazy for me. But I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas. If you like this video, I do have one from last year, but I guess like the second most Christmassy video I have is like my birthday vlog, which was the last video. So if you would like to check out the rest of my channel, please feel free to and share this video in any way possible, interact with it. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, happy holidays, and I will see you in the new year. Might do a New Year's vlog, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very soon. Bye.